लाइफ में इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है कि तुम बैठे हो, सुबह हो रही है, बोट चल रही है, अच्छे अच्छे व्यूज़ दिख रहे हैं, तुमने नाश्ता बहुत अच्छा सा कर लिया है और तुम्हारे पास ऑफिस की कोई टेंशन नहीं है. इट्स गुड नो. पार्क्ड एंड द टाइम इज
हमारा अभी रिकॉर्ड कर लो भैया. रिकॉर्ड करना है ये तो अभी करो.
कुछ कहना है आपको इस हाउस बोट के बारे में?
बहुत अच्छा था.
This is a lovely houseboat. और next से
हाँ हमें बहुत मजा आया.
हमें बहुत मजा आया.
हाँ
और कुछ?
और कुछ?
खाना भी ठीक था.
हाँ खाना भी अच्छा था.
मुझे सबसे अच्छा था व्यू ना.
सबसे अच्छा था व्यू या.
चलो तो तुम अब हनीमून पे आना अपने ना. If someone will ask me like what is my favorite, it must be traveling.
It must be what?
Kind of travel.
Traveling.
ट्रैवलिंग करते रहो और उसका पैसा मिलता रहे.
You don't live like an Anthony Bourdain lifestyle.
Like working with Geographic or National Geographic will be like the best job.
Imagine being like a Nat Geo photographer. Or something.
Yeah, that will be like something nice. कोकोनट की चटनी, सांभर, उत्पम, अप्पम, इडली. Time to go. Well, thank you, Boathouse.
मरारी बीच.
Yeah, Manali Beach. Here to
Bye, LP. Bye bye.
45 minutes.
Bye bye, LP. केरला में अभी भी लॉटरी लकी ड्रॉ चलता है और हम लोगों ने ट्राई करा. नसीब तो चला नहीं, नसीब तो हमारा बेकार है. बट दिस इज द लकी ड्रॉ टिकट एंड द फर्स्ट प्राइज वाज 65 लाख. देन अदर प्राइजेस वर देयर बट हमारा नहीं निकला, हमारे ड्राइवर साहब का भी नहीं निकला. तो इनने कल का नया टिकट खरीद लिया. अभी मैं आज फिर ट्राई करूँगा एक बार फिर से. लेट्स सी हाउ व्हाट हैपेंस दिस टाइम. Should we go? Come out, guys. We are at Marari Beach and this is the last freaking point of Kerala and we are enjoying. Just have a look at it, man. This is the only thing that was missing. Now we have it as well. And the all credit goes to this man. Just look at him. You can find this guy number in my blog at the bottom in the description. I'll give him this number. If you're coming to Kerala, you can meet him. He's one of the very few people who knows English and that's really nice. We can talk to him. Otherwise we are like Anna. But he speaks English so he can talk to him. So you may get calls like I got your number from YouTube and I just got to know. So you may like let them see the whole Kerala. If you guys coming to Kerala, like we are with him since last 5 days. We really enjoyed like hell. He is arranging everything for us. Although we are also trying, but he is the main because he can talk in locals, and he is showing us those things which actually Kerala people don't know. Like they guys know secret places. So camping was because of him. It was his friend. And not just that, there are few other things. So contact him. I'll put the name, the number and everything in the blog. We have one more friend here. Like we have met so many of his friends now on that trip. One more friend. So what's your name?
Rinjo.
Angel?
Yeah, Rinjo.
Ranjo.
Rinjo.
Ranjo.
Ritik. Huh? Ritik.
Ritik.
Ritik Roshan.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Sunny, they all know.
Sunny Deol.
My Crocs finally going for the first time on India's beach. They have always traveled like only on mountains. So this time they are going to a beach. That is Marari Beach in Kerala. Come on, my Crocs. What happened, Satyam? Like you have seen beaches earlier, I feel.
Yeah.
You have seen many beaches earlier.
ये लेकिन ना पानी इतना गर्म है.
Garam? Lucky, this is Arabian Sea.
No, Indian Ocean.
This is Indian Ocean. Arabian, na? We are on the left side.
से आएगा वाटर प्रूफ भी है. यार समुद्री के लिए तो लोग खरीदते हैं इससे.
खैर मन तो मेरा ना सत्यम उसका भी बहुत सारा है. किसका पता है? एक बार सर्फिंग करने का ना.
सर्फिंग इज फकिंग अमेजिंग. वहाँ का पानी इधर का पानी से मान लो 2 गुना ठंडा है, 3 गुना.
हम जैसे है ना ज़्यादा हीरो में कर सकता है.
यार इधर से कुछ नहीं होता. ये वेव्स भी बहुत नरम वेव, कुछ नहीं होएगा यार. समुद्र से इतना डर नहीं होना चाहिए.
अरे नहीं It's okay. Satyam, नहीं ना. नहीं. Mountains, I love mountains. Not that much of beaches.
देखो वाकिंग तो वही ना वहाँ नहीं तो बालू आ जाता है. इधर तक तो आ सकते हो चड्डी पहनने वाला.
अच्छा मत करना यार. एक तो मेरी वैसी फटी पड़ी है, तू और मस्ती ले रहा है.
ओके इधर तक आ सकते हो.
नहीं आ सकते. बिल्कुल नहीं आ सकते भैया नहीं आ सकते हो ना
यार.
Fuck you, faggot.
क्या अभी नहीं खाना है? मुझे भूख नहीं है.
What's your name? Say hello YouTube, what's up? Welcome to Kerala. Hey everyone, this is the last phase of the trip, like the last leg. We are still at the beach. कुछ अच्छा सा खाने को मिला. Seafood, if you love seafood, come here. This is Marari Beach and it's like really nice food with nice beaches. And I'll say कि हमने stay नहीं करा यहाँ पर. You must have stayed here and that will be nice and you will enjoy it guys, because beach is like we are reaching airport in like 5 minutes and these are like standard. In next 3 hours we will be back. Bye bye Kerala, bye bye Kochi, Munnar, Delhi, LP, everywhere. Bye bye. I'll be coming back again. New Delhi, we are coming. These are just like last few moments in Kochi with all the buddies. Last few minutes in Kochi. Last few minutes. Guys, these are like last few minutes in Kochi. So everyone, one statement about Kerala. Satyam.
Fucking beautiful.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Very beautiful. It's awesome.
It's
Much prettier
fucking
than any girl
beautiful.
I've seen. Beautiful.
Everyone is saying just one word. It's so freaking beautiful. So guys, if you are seeing it, you have to come Kerala. Even like I feel like if you are getting married, the best place to get your honeymoon is Kerala.
In India, yeah.
In India. On a nice
Houseboat.
romantic houseboat.
Houseboat.
Yeah. But now life is fucking different and it's pretty chilled. No woman, no cry.
Wait till I find a woman to make you cry. She might be corny. But it will happen. The airport is so nice. I'm excited to be back.
Reni, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Just say one thing in Malayalam. Hey everyone, come Kerala. It's a beautiful, it's God's own country.
എല്ലാവരും കേരളത്തിലേക്ക് വരിക. ഇത് നല്ലൊരു സ്ഥലമാണ്, കാണാൻ ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ ഉണ്ട്. ഹാപ്പി, വെരി ഹാപ്പി ആയിരിക്കും.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Okay, okay, bye.
Never forget.
सबके पास सारा सामान है ना?
Little,
Very sad, not little sad.
this is like one last goodbye. One last goodbye. Leaving Kerala, I'm falling in love with this place, and we are leaving. Don't cry, baby, don't cry. I feel the same. We are leaving Kerala.
Ah, you big pussy.
कुछ नहीं है.
This is the final warning call for passengers flying on Air India flight AIO47 Please proceed immediately to gate 3.
This one? Are you sure?
Yes.
Which one? This?
25A and 25B.
These two, no?
These two, baby.
Okay.
Lay window seat.
ले window seat, खुश हो जा.
Back like this.